project is done. Has been a week or so. Let me show you how it went, what went wrong.
Someone just kicked me out.
And it was a bit harder than I anticipated. But let me show you what I created. But first, let's back a bit and let me explain what is behind this project. Whew. Okay. So what is the goal? First of all, stop sweating. We want to achieve is a improved overall sound, so meaning extend the high frequencies and lower frequencies. At the moment, by listening it for a while, I found there's no highs and it's hard to listen for a longer period of times. Same thing for the bass or lower frequencies. Something's there, but the system don't play low. Forget about low bass. It's more like the car is producing now just the mid-range and mid-bass, and that's it. Tweeter locations, we're swapping from here to there, both sides, because we want to aim them directly in your eyes. Be more precise towards your ears. That will improve clarity, the overall spatiation. Yeah, 30 degrees in the car definitely affected my brain. There was a word for it. Additionally, we're gonna be adding a new mid-bass in the doors. Let's go pick some amps. And we are through! Full speed ahead. Oh, I washed the car yesterday. It's all dirty already. Stop beeping! Oh my god, I nearly hit the curb. So now I'm going to pick up my first amplifier for this project. This will be Fortunal amplifier for running the fronts and rears. And after that we're going to go to the next place to pick up the next amplifier and the sub. First package collected, now to the next one. Blending into the traffic. I missed my A6, the 3-litre petrol. It wasn't fast, but the noise the car was making was fun. And it was loud, very loud. So it was a very kind of nice driver's car to, you know, rev it, be loud on the road, enjoy driving. If you're wondering what happened with my A6, sold it and I bought a Caddy. But I will leave that story for another video. I really hope I'm driving correctly. I looked in the maps that I need to go straight, more straight, and then on the left there will be the shop that I need. I need just to blend into the traffic, because if you are too slow, people start to beep. If you're too aggressive, maybe you need to be aggressive. Yes. Stop beeping! I'm joking, just be sensible. Next packages are collected as well. We have the amp, we have the sub. So now I need to pick up the wiring for the power. And that's again, third place. Let's go there. I didn't know there is even such a shop, but apparently they sell car audio as well. And some prices are cheaper than these aux.lv and the 12-volt shop. So much sun today, like plus 30 degrees, boiling. It's looking good. Turns out the wiring I was coming after for was wrong specification. So I ended up buying a more expensive one. So what I said before, ignore it. So. A lovely equipment. The customer don't want any big boxes of the subwoofer sitting right here, so we're going to be utilizing the old space where is the old Bose amplifier with the subwoofer sitting, and the sub will be going right there inside in the separate enclosure. We have chosen the smallest possible. Look at the size. There's a key. Like the size of the amp. This amp can deliver 800 watts at 4 ohms. I mean, like, How that's even possible. For the fronts and rears we have this Hertz for the budget, and the size of this is the one I found kind of suits the best for this occasion. And I will try to squeeze everything right somewhere there. Not much space, but we'll figure it out. And for the front, we're gonna be using these lovely tweeters in the new locations. The Helix 6.5 speakers, new wiring, we have a cloth, and we have a new power. I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit all this in the car. There's only one way to find out. Let's start building this thing up, fitting the speakers, fitting the sub amplifiers, wiring, everything, because time is running. So let's go. Project is done.
Wait a minute. Where is the install montage you promised, Yanis? Well, no installation video, and the end result is more important, but let's continue the video.
Okay, I cannot show this area. I'm now kicked out. I need to find a new place.
Basically, in Riga waterfront, video recording is not allowed. But I'm shooting it anyway.
I have come to the Riga waterfront to just complete or end this project. Security lady is coming back, so I need to leave this place. Look at this, it's nice, There's the flowers, it's nice and neat. No, you cannot film here. It is illegal. I don't know if it's illegal, but apparently I can get in the trouble. Damn it. And one last thing, what we need to do is...
Let's go for a ride.
And now it's fully integrated, sounds amazing, and customer can drive, enjoy the car, and most importantly, have a proper sound system in his car as well. So guys, yeah, it's been a journey.